Again, you're too slow.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Wow, this is weird. Okay, so today we have a today we're doing a mukbang and
Mukbang, whatever you want to call it.
I'm here with Mia.
That's the
yeah, so we got what's it called?
Domino's.
Domino's. Alright, I hope I look good. Oh my god. We were not ready for this video.
So what we have here is we have cinnamon twists. I didn't even know it comes with icing. I mean, we have spicy wings.
Oh, no.
Alright, and over here we have pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza, and over here we got cheese pizza with chicken.
So we did ask my Instagram people if
Let me get ranch.
we asked them some questions, so hopefully some of them ask. But I have no friends, so I don't know. I don't know if they'll answer. Oh, if you want to follow my Instagram, it will be linked somewhere in this video.
If you want to see my Instagram,
No,
right here. Can you pop it? Can you put mine?
I don't know how.
Okay. Anyways.
Okay, tell them what happened.
Is it on now?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh my gosh! So we were filming this whole entire time. I mean, at least we thought we were. My freaking camera died. Or
For
no,
real?
it didn't die. I just didn't press record.
Did you touch your ranch?
No. No. So,
And you wasted a plate.
anyways,
you.
ask the questions. So we are gonna re-ask the questions for you. And there was only 5, so you didn't miss anything.
You didn't miss much.
Yeah. No, but for real though, I was trying to say that I'm kind of getting new to all of this editing stuff. So if you are watching this
I'll
and
use
you
your
want to let me know like what other cool editing apps is, please put them in the comment section below. That'll be so helpful.
So, again, from my friend Anita, follow her. Her Instagram is Anita Celebic16. She's asking, what's one quality you love about each other? We already answered this.
Yeah,
so
it was
it's like
funnier
it's not-
before, but one.
Nothing.
It's just like, I mean, we've been together since we've been cousins since like 2009. No, I'm kidding. No, but we've actually grown up with each other, so I guess it's like you have a sister, but you don't have a sister.
It's like when you
It's
meet
like-
up again, nothing.
It's good that we aren't sisters because if I get annoyed, I can literally just go to my house and she can stay here and I'm away from her for good. No, I'm kidding.
Or the opposite way around.
But yeah.
Choose one. It would be because, I mean, I don't know why, but we laugh at everything. Like, when we're with each other, I don't know why.
We just get each other and... What?
We just get each other weak.
Oh, yeah, whatever. Alright, next question. And then the transition will be like, whoop. Right, let's go. Wait, what?
Next question.
I know, let's do it like better. Ready?
Next question. Oh, okay, next question. What's college life? What? What's college life like? Well, I don't go to college. I am in high school.
For those of you who don't know, I am a freshman in college. I do get comments a lot, like not in the comments.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that?
Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying.
Like, people always comment on me, like talking to me, not commenting in the section where you could comment in the section, but they always think that I'm like a sophomore in high school or a junior or
a freshman
I'm 15
or
or 16. I am actually 18 years old. Somehow, and I still feel like 13. The college life is the greatest. Okay.
Why is it most?
My freaking camera died, and I do not know if we have all the footage of our Mukbang, which kind of sucks.
On to dessert.
Alright, next question that we already repeated like 10 million times.
What made you wanna start a YouTube channel?
I've always wanted to like be artistic and be like just edit videos and make videos for not only like people to see, but like for myself, so I can like look back.
Entertainment.
Yeah, exactly, for my entertainment. So what I've done and all that.
Some junior and senior tips.
What are
Senior
some
year tips. Junior and senior year.
Oh, junior and senior year tips. Well, for one, junior year is the most important year of your high school
I'm
career. Yeah. If I were to go back, I would change the way I studied, the way I looked at my grade. I don't know, just the way I put myself. I mean, like, just grades, like how I
Hannah. Why is the ocean watery?
Because of Moses.
Where can I find some toasters for my grandma?
Mitosis?
My toasters.
In the pantry.
How many kids do you have? One. I have two. Wait, one or two. One, technically, because Mac is mine.
I have two little girls, actually. But they're the cutest dogs ever. And if I know how to edit, I'll try to put them in somewhere.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there.
I bet that was a thing.
What is your biggest day-to-day challenge? Waking up?
Yeah. I mean, like, sometimes I am a morning person, but waking up every day is kind of like.
Well, you don't really
tired.
have to wake up early.
I mean, yeah, but
I do.
it still kind of makes me tired because I love waking up early because of just like having more time in your day. Daily challenges has to be hanging with friends because your girl don't have any. Now, I hope this turns out good because the camera died. And like, I hope that there's enough footage to make this a good video for me because I don't have subscribers. Speaking into existence, I will hit 1 million in hopefully 2 to 5, maybe 10 years from now.
Where do you find purpose in your life?
Purpose, my family, my dogs, and like just love like making people laugh and all that. And my best friend. Well, shout out to Haley. She's still in high school, so
she's in my human net.
yeah, that's my best friend, and she's pretty cool. She likes to listen. She's a good listener. She's really funny, so I don't have to do anything, and she just makes me laugh.
Me too.
No, she's just a good person overall.
Well, my best friend. Well, I kind of have multiple, because if I had to describe them, well, them as in like our Scholarship Gang, it was a thing a long time ago, but we basically grew up together. All 7 of us. Because of basketball and the Filipino tournaments and stuff like that. But, yeah, but we just gotten close together and have their different like different things that they contribute to the group.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, we're all not the same people, so it's like it's nice to have different things around. But then again, we are the same people because we all are Filipino.
Yeah, and we all laugh at stupid stuff.
Yeah. But yeah, this concludes our mukbang. I hope that there is enough footage. Like, that really annoys me.
Okay.
I didn't charge my camera long enough. But anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you come back. I hope someone watches this. Hope I get more people and viewers and all that. I don't have an intro yet, so...
No, outro.
I don't have an intro or outro yet, so that will be coming soon.
See ya, don't wanna be ya.
Alright, bye!